Hello again, guys. Thanks for joining me on Cooking with Dean. Today I'm making some oxtail and some rice and peas. Here I got some oxtail soaking from last night. Let me show you what I put in my oxtail. Okay guys, these are the ingredients I have in my oxtail. I have some mushroom soya sauce, got 6 tablespoons of that. Got 3 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, Cool Runnings. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have some green onions, white onions, and garlic mixed in there. I've been soaking it all night. It's nice and it's ready to go. Let's start cooking it now. Hey guys, I don't put any oil in my pot because the oxtail already have fat on it. It'll get pretty oily. You might have to drain some of the oil off. So let's make my pot get really hot. And I put the oxtail in. Let it cook down by itself in its own gravy and juices. This is a large oxtail. I told the guy, give me a large oxtail. This is a small cut. I'm gonna be putting some, what do you call it, thyme. Put some thyme in there as well. Not this much thyme, That it's a nice flavor. Not too much, About that much. About 5 stalks of thyme. Put it in there. Okay guys, it's almost done. I'm gonna just let it cook down, fry up a little bit in its own gravy. I'm gonna put some water on it, get it nice and tender. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the descriptions of all my videos, so you guys could cook along with me. Hope you try this one. Tell me if you like it. I'm gonna be doing some steamed veggie on the side of it as well with the rice and peas. You guys, a lot of oil in the pot. It's getting to the point where I'm going to put the first set of water on it. What I do is I put some water on it, let it cook down to frying again, and then I put the final water. Let it get soft. I like when it cooks up like this and the seasoning kind of burn into the meat a little bit. There's a nice flavor to it. With that rosemary, that unique flavor of the rosemary, it's really good. Just cook down a little bit more, fry up a little bit more. I'm gonna add some water. Okay guys, this is perfect. I'm gonna fry up a little bit in the oil and that it created. I'm gonna put some water on that. Just make it submerge in the water just a bit. That's good. I do that first. Cook that down to a little fry, and then put some more water on it and let it get really soft and tender. You could use a pressure cooker, but this is the way I do it. I've used pressure cookers before, but I don't like when the meat cooks too fast and it tastes a little bit raw. So when it cooks like this, nice and tender and slow, it tastes perfect. Okay guys, it's down to, back to a frying stage again almost, a lot of gravy in there, but meat is still very hard, so I'm going to put the last set of water on it. Now it's going to cook down until it's really soft. Takes a while. I'm going to submerge the meat a little bit in the water, cook nice and slow, and get really soft. Got some peas in a dutchie pot getting soft. after that's finished cooking, I'm going to show you how I do my rice and peas. A little bit more water. This takes a while, guys. Cover that down. Let that cook slow and nice and thin till it's like fall off the bone soft. Okay, let's get to the recipes. Okay guys, my peas is soft now. I change my pot. I cook it soft in the Dutchie, but then I switch it to this pot here. Nice and soft. I got about half a cup of red peas. Cook it until it's nice and soft. And I got 2.5 cups of rice. I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of salt in there with some butter. Before I do all that, I got my cream, my Grace cream, pure creamed coconut. Let it melt, and I'm gonna put about half a packet for this amount of rice. A nice flavor to it. Put half of that. A nice light brown color there. Yeah, it's perfect. No? Yeah, there we go. It's perfect. Okay, so after that I put 2.5 cups of rice. Just do it now. Now I'm gonna wash my rice and I'm gonna put it in. Okay, I'm gonna add my rice to my. Just wash my rice nice and clean. Get to the water now. Perfect. It's a perfect level of water. You want the water to be, you know, about less than about a quarter inch over the rice. You could just let it cook at that level. It's perfect. Some butter now. Some butter in there. About, let's see, about a quarter cup of butter, a little bit less than a quarter cup of butter, and some thyme in there as well, and some green onion. Let's put it in there just like that, guys. And, you know, keep it solid, big pieces. And when it cooks, then you could take them out. Just let it cook, and it's gonna add a nice flavor to the rice. And the butter and your coconut milk. It's perfect. So just let that cook until the rice get nice and tender. And then I'm gonna steam some veggies. Okay, guys, my rice is done. A little bit soft, you know, but it's good. It smells good. It's gonna taste good. Yeah, but it's done. My meat's almost done. It's getting really soft, getting down to a gravy. And then I'll make a nice plate of it. I'm gonna show you the mixed veggie. Okay, the veggies I'm gonna be using some sweet peppers and some broccoli and some baby carrots. I'll cut these up, see them look nice. Then I move on to the next step. I'll steam it up. So after this, I like a lot of broccoli in my meal, you know. let's mix very good. Seems right. And I'm gonna make them for these about this size. Not too small, you know. Maybe even a little thicker. Like when it's, you know, big crunchy chunks. Dry. Let it dry a little bit because I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of the pot. That way, toast it up nice. Okay, guys, I got the pot hot right now. I got some sesame seed oil. I'm using that. Just put a bit on the bottom of the pot there. Not too much. Depends on how much veggie you have, you know. You don't want it to be oily though. And I'm gonna put my veggies on it. Down for a little. Now it doesn't take long because I don't want it to be kind of crunchy a bit. It's not going to take too long. It's going to take probably 5 minutes at the most. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of salt to this. Maybe a little bit, just a little bit. You know, veggie is pretty fresh. Add a little flavor to it, not too much. You can put a little black pepper too. Almost done. Okay guys, burn a little bit on the pot. Perfect. I'm going to turn it off now and let it stay in the hot pot. It's going to cook the rest of the way in the pot. And I just leave that like that. It's still a little bit hard, but by the time the pot cools down, it'll be nice and tender, just the right tenderness. Perfect right now. That's a little soft. Like when my veggies a little bit firm, you know. Okay guys, perfect right now. I'm gonna turn off my stove. Nice and thick gravy, the meat's nice and soft. Perfect, man. So I like it. Just the meat out. Ooh. Melt in your mouth soft. It's perfect. Shut this down and I'm gonna share myself a plate. I'm gonna show you what that looks like on a plate. Guys, delicious plate of oxtail rice and peas, some steamed veggies. I'm gonna enjoy this right now. Give it a try. Let me know. Come back for some more. Thanks again for joining me, guys. Cooking with Dean. Hopefully you try this oxtail meal. If you do try it and you like it, let me know in the comments. Come again, guys. Let's cook some more.